Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. This week we are going to enter the new topic, My Beloved Motherland. Children, do you like our motherland? Which is our motherland? Very good. India. India is our motherland. Our motherland is the best country in the world. India is one of the most richly endowed countries in the world. India is our motherland with a population of 1.3 billion of people. How much? 1.3 billion of people. India stands as the second most populous country in the world. There is enough of everything in it: mountains, hills, valleys, lakes, deserts, seas, plains, and what not. India has everything. This is about our motherland, India.
Look here, children. Before we could enter the lesson, we are going to discuss about hard words. First one, Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th of August. We got independence on 1947. Independence Day. INDEPENDENCE. Independence Day. DAY Day. Next one, Republic Day. Republic Day. REPUBLIC. Republic Day. DAY Day. Republic Day was celebrated on 26th January. We got Republic on the year 1950. Next one, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. It was celebrated on 2nd October. GANDHI Gandhi Jayanti. JAYANTHI Gandhi Jayanti. Next one, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our former president of Free India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. RAJENDRA Rajendra Prasad. PRASAD Prasad. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. JAWAHARLAL Jawaharlal
Nehru.
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 Jawaharlal Nehru was our first Prime Minister of India. Next one, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Mahatma, MAHATMA, Mahatma Gandhi, GANDHI. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Next one, tricolor. Tricolor. Our flag is a tricolor. The colors are saffron, white and green. Tricolor. TRICOLOUR. Tricolor. Our flag is in tricolor. The colors are what? Saffron, white and green. Next one, Children's Day. Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day in remembrance of our former Prime Minister Nehru. Children's Day is celebrated on Nehru's birthday. CHILDRENS. Children's Day. DAY Day. Children's Day. Next one, National Emblem. National Emblem. The national emblem of India is the symbol of Republic. It has Ashoka Chakra and 4 lions facing 4 directions. It represents the unity of our country. National Emblem. NATIONAL. National Emblem. EMBLEM. National Emblem. Next one, Tamil Nadu state emblem. Tamil Nadu state emblem. The emblem of Tamil Nadu is in the year of 1947. The temple is the emblem is the temple of Andal, which is situated in Srivilliputturu. Tamil Nadu state emblem. TAMIL Tamil Nadu. NADU Nadu state. STATE state emblem. EMBLEM emblem. Tamil Nadu state emblem. Mahatma Gandhi tricolor, Children's Day national emblem and Tamil Nadu state emblem.
Days and national leaders. First, we are going to discuss about national days. What is national days? A national day is a day on which celebrations
Birthday
mark
is
the
celebrated as
nationhood of
Children's
a
Day.
nation or state. It may be the date of independence of becoming a republic or a significant date for a patron saint or a ruler. The national day is often a public holiday. Do you know, children? Yes. National Day is a holiday. This is about national days. Look here, children. Next, we are going to discuss about national leaders. Many leaders worked hard to make India independent. Many leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, Chakravarti Rajagopal Achari, Mohandas Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad brought together generation and demographics and provided a strong leadership base giving the country political direction. This is about national leaders. Many leaders worked hard to make India independent. Two important leaders among them were Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Look here, children. Next, we are going to discuss about Independence Day. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August. We got independence on the year 1947. For many years, our country, India, was ruled by another country called Britain. We became free from their rule on August 15, 1947. India celebrates this day as Independence Day every year. Do you know, children? We have holiday in this Independence Day. Look here, children. Next, we are going to discuss about Republic Day. Republic Day was celebrated on 26th January. We got Republic on the year 1950. Our own laws, Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. Who was our first president of Free India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. This is about January 26, Republic Day. Look here, children. Next topic is 2nd October. 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhi's birthday we celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and it is a government holiday. Mahatma Gandhi is affectionately remembered by all of us as Babu or the father of our nation. Who is the father of our nation? Very good. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. He followed the path of non-violence. He led a simple life and always spoke the truth. His birthday, 2nd October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. This is about 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Look here children, next we are going to see 14th November is Children's Day. Children's Day, we celebrate Children's Day in remembrance of our Prime Minister Nehru. Children call him Chacha Nehru, means in Tamil Nehru Mama. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. He was lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day. Look here children, connect the pictures of the leaders to columns A and B. Shall we do children? Yes. First President of India. Who is our first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad is our first President of India. Next one. Father of our nation. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Next one. First Prime Minister of India. Who is our first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Look here children, our next topic is National Flag. The national flag of India is the symbol of freedom and unity of the country. It is the rectangular in shape. It is also called as tricolor, as it has three colors that are saffron, white and green. Saffron indicates the strength and courage of the country, that is sacrifice. Next one, the white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last one, green. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The navy blue wheel in the center of the white band is called the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes which stands for progress and values. We respect our national flag. Look here children, next we are going to discuss about our national emblem. The national emblem of India is the symbol of Republic. It has Ashoka Chakra and 4 lions facing 4 directions. It represents the unity of our country. This is about national emblem. Next we are going to discuss about Tamil Nadu state emblem. See this emblem children. The emblem of Tamil Nadu is created in the year 1949. The temple in the emblem is the Temple of Andal, which is situated in Srivilliputtur. The mother of the emblem is Truth always trumps. It means Vaimeye Vellum. This is about Tamil Nadu state emblem. Look here children. Next topic is national symbols of India. First one, national animal. Which is our national animal? Bengal tiger is our national animal. The combination of great strength, agility and enormous power has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal of India. This is about our national animal, Bengal tiger. Next one, national river. National river, which is our national river? Ganges, that means Ganga. The Ganga is the longest river of India, flowing over 2510 kilometers of mountains, valleys and plains. This is about our national river. Next one, national bird. Which is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. The peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. This is about national bird peacock. Next one, national tree. Which is our national tree? Yes, very good. Banyan tree is our national tree. The banyan tree represents eternal life because of its ever expanding branches. The country's unity is symbolized by the tree's huge structure and its deep roots. This is about our national tree, banyan tree. Next one, national flower. Which is our national flower, children? Yes, very good. Lotus is our national flower. The lotus flower is a famous symbol in Hinduism. In general, lotus flowers represent spiritual enlightenment, growth, purity, and birth among many others. This is about our national flower. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Very good. Lotus is our national flower. Look here, children. Next one, national fruit. Which is our national fruit? Yes, very good. Mango is the national fruit. With its golden color that signifies richness and a heart shape that symbolizes a very important part like in human anatomy, made Manila mango to be the national fruit of India. Which is our national fruit? Mango is our national fruit. This is about the national symbols of India. Children, do you know the dolphin of the Ganges River is the national aquatic animal of India? River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. This mammal is also said to represent the purity of the holy Ganga, as it can only survive in pure and fresh water. This is about the national animal.
Look here, children. Today's homework, questions and answers. First one, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? When do we celebrate our Independence Day? We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th of August in 1947. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th of August in 1947. Second one, who was our first president of Free India? Who was our first president of Free India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. R-A-J-E-N-D-R-A Rajendra Prasad. P-R-A-S-A-D Prasad was the first president of Free India. Who was our first president of Free India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India.
Okay, children, read the answers correctly write answers only one time. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you, children.